Hello, so this is a first start into introducing you to the Arduino device. In our training sessions, we provide you with the Arduino starter kit and also an Arduino robot. Obviously the robot is for more advanced lessons, so this is just for the introduction. So you get your Arduino starter kit. In your Arduino starter kit you get the Arduino project book. Now, we don't use all of the projects in the Arduino projects book during our training sessions, but they're great additional projects for you to use so you can practice your skills. So inside the box, what you also get is some motors, liquid crystal display, the USB cable to connect it to the PC, a whole bunch of electronic components, and a breadboard which you can use to build different circuits together. So you can build solderless circuits, which is great for the students. And then obviously the Arduino Uno. So I'm going to take that away and get the USB cable, and we're also going to get the Arduino Uno. So here's the Uno. As you can see, it's a tiny little board. And what I'm going to do is plug in the USB. So now plugged in the USB, what you should be able to see on there, if I zoom this camera, is, let me get a bit closer for you. There are two LEDs that are on the device. So one LED over here just shows you that it's on, and that will say next to it on, and then there's this little yellow LED here. So on the left hand side of my screen you've probably seen that we've got the Arduino software open. So you can just download this software, install it into your computer, and everything should work nice and easy. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to open an example, and we're going to go into basics, and we're going to use the Blink software. So here you go, here's the Blink software, and as you can see, what it says is it turns on an LED for 1 second and then turns it off again. So pretty simple piece of software. At the bottom of the screen here, you'll notice that it tells me that my Arduino Uno is on COM port 3. What you may find when you first plug in your board and you do the next two steps, it can't find your Arduino Uno and you have to change the COM port. So we may see that appear. When you're creating your own software, always verify first, and this will identify any type inaccuracies or any errors that you've got in your software. So once that's done, you then upload, and this is now uploading the software to the Arduino Uno device. And you can see that it's uploaded, and if we look now on the board, this LED here is now flashing on and off. So 1 second on, 1 second off. So we now know that the Blink software has gone to the Arduino Uno board. Now what we're going to do here, very quickly, is just change one of the settings so you can see what we can do and see how easy it is to code. So I'm going to remove the 1000 and I'm going to make it 100. So that's 1/10 of a second on and 1/10 of a second off. I'm going to verify the code. And this is just compiling it, making sure that everything that I've written in here makes sense. And then I'm going to upload it to the Arduino Uno. And now what you should see is this LED is suddenly going to start blinking a lot quicker. So it has done uploading, and there you go. This is now flashing much faster. So that is how to get your Arduino Uno up and running.